Code is the present. Architecture is the future. Writing code delivers features. Designing architecture delivers business outcomes. A successful software system is not only about making the application work today. It is about creating a foundation that can support tomorrow's growth. A solution architect does more than select frameworks, draw diagrams, or choose cloud services. The real responsibility is connecting business strategy with technology decisions. Every architectural decision should answer one important question. Will this solution continue to support the business 3 to 5 years from now? Great architecture is not about building everything possible. It starts by understanding 1. What the business really needs. 2. What limitations exist. 3. What should not be built. Adding more technology does not always create a better solution. Clear boundaries create systems that are simpler, easier to maintain, and easier to evolve. Every architecture decision has consequences. There is no perfect architecture without trade-offs. Choosing strong consistency may impact availability. Improving performance may increase infrastructure cost. Moving faster may create technical debt. The goal is not avoiding trade-offs. The goal is making them consciously based on business priorities. Requirements change. Customers grow. Technology evolves. A successful architecture is not one that predicts every future requirement. It is one that can adapt when the future arrives. The most beautiful code cannot rescue a system built on the wrong architectural foundation. Technology changes every year. But strong architectural thinking continues to create business value. A great solution architect does not just build software. They build the foundation for future success.